Okay, now we have Jigsaw, The Game Continues. Here's the back. Okay. In the latest terrifying installment of the legendary Saw series, law enforcement finds itself chasing the ghost of a man dead for over a decade, embroiled in a diplomatic new game that's only just begun. Has John Kramer, the infamous Jigsaw killer, returned from the dead to commit a series of murders and reminded the world to be grateful for the gift of life? Or is this a trap set by a different killer with designs of their own? Okay. Okay. And the back of this is the same as the slipcover. Okay. Okay, here is the digital copy. Whoever wants this can have it. Okay. We've got the DVD over here. And then we've got the Blu-ray over here. See if there's any artwork on the back, behind them. Nothing. Nothing. Okay.